how to earn an 8-figure salary, how to earn 1 crore per annum. In the first part of this video series, we learned how corporates are structured and where do you actually need to reach in the pyramid, that is at the top, to ensure that you start getting 1 crore per annum salary. In the second part of this video series, we learned that what is the typical journey of a corporate professionals, how his or her salary increases every year, and over a period of 10 to 15 years, how it is possible to reach the figure of 1 crore per annum salary by keeping in mind certain boosters which he or she can use over this period. In the third part of this video series, we learned the power of 3 questions that we need to ask ourselves every day so that our journey towards the Crore Club remains on track. Now, these are fundamental building blocks. It was very important for us to understand these 3 aspects. But now the time has come where we need to prepare an action plan for ourselves. An action plan where we define each step that we need to take in real terms and ensure that we reach that Crore Club. So in this video, I am going to cover that action plan. As always, before we start this video, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel if you have already not done that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and if you have any questions, any clarifications that you need to ask, use the comment box to ask the question. I'll personally answer to all the questions. So let's start this video. In this video, I'm going to take you through a 5-point action plan. An action plan which will define each step that you need to take so that your journey towards the Crore Club becomes easy and you can track it over a period of time. What actually you need to do, because it's good to know the basics, the fundamentals, because that's important. But you also need to know what you need to do as a professional to ensure that you start earning that 1 crore salary. And that is the step now we have reached where you will come into the focus. I'll tell you all that what you need to do so that you start earning that 1 crore salary over a period of time. So stay tuned because I'm going to take you through this 5-point action plan which I would request you to follow. It'll be a good idea to take out a sheet of paper and pen so that you can note down each of these steps, because this is real practical stuff. This is how you can really plan out your journey. So it's serious and you need to look at it with all seriousness. Action point number 1. Look at your current organization and map out the complete organization structure of the place where you are working currently on a sheet of paper. Each level, define it very clearly. Also define your own level where you are at currently. And you also need to count the clear number of steps that you need to take to reach the top. So clearly lay out the structure, the pyramid, how your organization is structured, where you are, what is the gap between you and the topmost level, so that you very clearly know how many steps you need to cover to reach the top. Then, having done that, try to also understand that typically for a good professional, how many years it takes to cover each of these steps, the levels, so that you very clearly know that if you have to cover probably 5 levels or 7 levels, how many years you need to give to yourself to reach the top. And to collect this data, if you have to speak to 10 people, do that. Give it a week, give it 10 days. Speak to as many people as possible. Talk to HR, use your relationship with the HR folks because they would know and they would have this data readily available. But try to get authenticated data with respect to your organization, clearly defining what is the hierarchy, where exactly you stand in that hierarchy, how many levels you are away from the top, and typically how many years you would take to reach the top. This data is going to be very crucial in your analysis, in your plan to reach towards the Crore Club. So do it with all seriousness. Now let's come to the second point of your action plan. Now, having marked your complete organization structure, now let's try to understand at what level typically your company starts paying 1 crore per annum salary. And in most of the cases, it would be either the topmost level or probably 1 or 2 levels below. Now, very clearly, your goal is to reach the level where your company typically pays 1 crore salary. And when you are doing this analysis, when you are collecting data, one check that you need to do is to find out that in that particular level, at least 50% of the people must be getting 1 crore per annum salary. Because sometimes what also happens is 1 or 2 people even at lower levels may be hitting that 1 crore mark. But we'll not generalize it with the help of that limited data point. What you have to ensure is you mark out the level where at least 50% of the people who are in that level of the hierarchy should be getting 1 crore per annum salary. And that will now become your goal post, because that is where you have to reach. Now rework the time frame that you need to give to reach that particular level from where you are currently. Because now in the first point, you have already calculated how many years typically it takes to cross one level. So now you know very clearly what level you have to hit, where you are currently, and how many years it would take for you to reach the level where your company starts paying 1 crore per annum salary. Now let's come to action point number 3. Make a list of all the key decision makers in your organization, starting with your boss and going upwards. No peers, no subordinates. One more check that you have to do is all these decision makers must be at a level where they have some sort of influence in deciding your salary increment, promotion, role change, all sort of things which are related to you. So very clearly list down the key influencers in your organization who could have a role at some point in time in taking you towards that Crore Club. Now, once you have made that list, and that list should have at least 10 people and a maximum of 25 people probably. And once you have made that list, do a check in terms of 4 aspects. So you can categorize all these people into 4 categories. 1, people who know you well and who know very well what kind of work you are doing. So that's the first category. The second category is people probably know you, recognize you, they would know your name. So that's the second category. The third category could be of people who know you but may not have a positive view about you because of probably some bad experience in the past or lack of data. So that's the third category. And then the fourth category would be of people who absolutely don't know you. So divide the key influencers in these 4 categories. That's your action point number 3. Now all the data that you have collected so far, keep it aside. In action point number 4, what you need to do is to go back to part 2 of this video series and map out your 15-year journey in the same manner the way it has been mapped out hypothetically in part 2 of this video. Just replace the initial 10 lakh number with your current salary and exactly map out your journey in the same manner to see where you are going to reach after 15 years with the starting salary that you have today. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to convert that hypothetical example into a real one. Don't worry about whether you are earning today a 10 lakh salary, 5 lakh salary, 15 lakh salary. No, that's not the point. Just put your current number there and create that progression over the next 15 years just to see that if everything else remains the same, what is given in that example, in that video, where exactly you would be able to reach after 15 years. So carry out this exercise with all seriousness. Now coming to the fifth action point, I would request you to go back to part 3 of this video series, take out the 3 questions that I had given you there and try to answer them for yourself, keeping the professional in you in mind. Take out a sheet of paper and answer the 3 questions that I had given you. Now there are 3 things that you need to keep in mind while answering these questions. The first thing, and which I had told you in the video also, that be honest. Give honest answers. In fact, I'll tell you to go even further. Be critical of yourself. Question your achievement and then answer these questions. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is use a time frame of not more than last 6 months. So don't go, what you did 5 years back, 2 years back, 1 year back. No. Use only a reference point of last 6 months while answering these 3 questions. And finally, what is also important is don't just give one-line answers. Your answers must be of at least 100 words or even more. So answer thoroughly so that your achievements, your characteristics, your skill sets, the reason because of which you stand out comes out very clearly in front of you. This is not an easy action plan to complete. Even if I have told you just to complete 5 steps, 5-point action plan. But what I have seen is people find it very difficult to complete this action plan. And the reason being, they immediately start looking at where they are, how much the gap is, how far they are away from the Crore Club, from the top, how many years it will take for them to reach there. And then somewhere they get stuck in between. The trick of completing this action plan is to look at it in a very dispassionate way. Like a clear task that you have been told to complete 5 things, 5 tasks you have been given, and you just need to complete them without even worrying about where exactly you are, how much salary you earn, how difficult it will be for you to reach the Crore Club. No, don't worry about all that right now. Right now, my agenda is to just tell you to complete these 5 steps, this 5-point action plan. And once you have completed this action plan, then in the next part of this video series, I'll tell you what to do with it. So stay tuned for that. So do tell me, how did you find this video? If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, recruit as many people as possible in our community so that I can help them and they can get all the benefits. And lastly, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe immediately. I'll see you in the next part of this series. Thank you.